It is said that if your gut is not good, then you are not good. This is because our gut impacts our health in so many ways. The food that we eat has a major impact on our gut health. This food has been part of the Japanese diet for centuries. It is often enjoyed as a breakfast dish mixed with rice or as an ingredient in salads and soups. It is made by fermenting tea with a special culture called a SCOBY. This process gives kombucha its fizzy, slightly sour taste and, most importantly, its gut healing properties. But how exactly does kombucha help heal your gut? Pickles might be a common item on our list, but did you know that Japanese pickles, known as tsukemono, are more than just a tasty treat? By incorporating these traditional Japanese fermented foods into your diet, you can support a healthy gut and promote better digestion, reduce inflammation, and boost your immune system. Give these foods a try and savor the delicious flavors while nourishing your gut. Namaskar. They are a treasure trove of gut healing goodness. Japanese pickles are made through a unique fermentation process that involves vegetables like cucumbers, plums, and onions. This process not only gives pickles their crunchy, tangy flavor, but also imparts several health benefits. What makes pickles so great for your gut? First, they are naturally high in probiotics. These beneficial bacteria are key for maintaining a healthy gut and supporting digestion. When you consume pickles, these probiotics make their way to your gut and start working their magic. They assist in breaking down food, making nutrients available for your body to absorb and keeping your gut in good shape. Secondly, pickles contain organic acids. These acids are produced during the fermentation process and give pickles their signature tang. But they also play a role in gut health. Organic acids help maintain the gut's acidic environment, which is essential for proper digestion and preventing harmful bacteria from growing. Not to mention that pickles are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight and support digestive health. They are also packed with essential nutrients like potassium, which helps regulate fluid balance in the body, and vitamin K, which supports bone health. To enjoy the gut healing benefits of pickles, it is best to consume them in moderation. Start with small portions and gradually increase the amount based on your tolerance. Pickles are versatile and can be enjoyed in various ways. Add them to salads for a tangy crunch, use them as a condiment with burgers or sandwiches, or simply enjoy them as a snack. Well, first, it is another excellent source of probiotics. These beneficial bacteria make their way to your gut and support better digestion, nutrient absorption, and a stronger immune system. Secondly, kombucha contains organic acids. These acids help maintain the gut's acidic environment, which is essential for breaking down food and preventing harmful bacteria from growing. In addition to gut health, kombucha may also help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to various health conditions, so finding ways to keep inflammation under control is crucial for overall well-being. And that's where kombucha comes in. It contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, helping to soothe and calm your gut and reduce inflammation. To enjoy the benefits of kombucha, it is best to consume it in moderation. Start with small amounts and gradually increase based on your tolerance. You can drink it on its own or use it in cocktails. Kombucha is a versatile drink that can be enjoyed in various ways. You can try different flavors like ginger, berry, or citrus to find your favorite. Now, what makes natto so special? First, it is a powerhouse of nutrition. It has a sweet and slightly sour taste and is celebrated for its health benefits, especially for gut health. Amazake works in a couple of ways. First, it contains a significant amount of probiotics. These friendly bacteria are essential for maintaining a healthy gut. They assist in breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and supporting a robust immune system. Moreover, Amazake is rich in prebiotics. Prebiotics are like food for probiotics. They nourish and support the growth of beneficial bacteria in your gut. So by consuming Amazake, you are providing your gut with the necessary fuel to keep those helpful bacteria thriving. The probiotics and prebiotics in Amazake work together to create a balanced and healthy gut environment. This balance is crucial for effective digestion, nutrient absorption, and maintaining a strong immune system. Amazake is not only great for gut health, but it also has other potential benefits. It may help boost the immune system, support liver health, and aid in stress reduction. Including Amazake in your diet is simple. You can enjoy it as a standalone drink or use it in various recipes. Its unique flavor and health benefits make it a wonderful addition to your daily routine. Natto is loaded with essential nutrients like protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health and well-being. It is particularly rich in vitamin K2, which plays a vital role in maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Secondly, it contains probiotics. These are beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut. A healthy gut is crucial for digestion, nutrient absorption, and boosting the immune system. And don't forget about the anti-inflammatory properties of natto. It helps reduce chronic inflammation, which is linked to various health issues, making it great for those looking to maintain their health and vitality as they age. Incorporating natto into your diet can be easy. Start by adding small portions to your meals and mix it with other foods you enjoy. You can mix it with rice, add it to salads, or even use it as a topping for your favorite dishes. Now let us talk about the food which can help to heal your gut and reduce inflammation after 60. The magic ingredient here is miso, a fermented soybean paste that brings a rich, savory flavor to the soup. But miso is more than just a flavor booster. It is a probiotic powerhouse. Now let us see how this probiotic supports gut health. Probiotics are like tiny helpers that live in your gut and help with digestion and keeping your immune system strong. When you consume miso soup, these helpful bacteria make their way to your gut and start doing their important work. They help break down food, making nutrients available for your body to absorb. Additionally, probiotics can help reduce the risk of harmful bacteria growing in your gut. This helps prevent digestive issues like diarrhea and constipation, making your gut feel better overall. Regular consumption of miso soup can contribute to a healthy gut and an improved immune system, which is especially important as we age. As a bonus, miso soup is also rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and diseases. By including miso soup in your diet, you can provide your body with these protective antioxidants, supporting not only your gut health, but also your overall well-being. Now let us see how you can prepare this soup. It is very simple to prepare. Start by heating water in a pot. Add some chopped vegetables like carrots, onions, and green beans for extra nutrition. Add the miso paste and stir until it dissolves. You can also add tofu for protein and green onions for flavor. And finally, pour the hot soup into a bowl and enjoy. Yes, I am talking about the Japanese fermented foods. Today I'm going to share with you 5 such Japanese fermented foods that have amazing health benefits, especially for those who are 60 plus. These traditional Japanese foods are not just delicious, but also have gut healing properties. Let's dive in. No. 1. Natto. Natto is one of the most popular Japanese superfoods, and it is made from soybeans. Number 2. Miso soup. Miso soup is more than just a tasty broth. It is a true elixir for gut health. 3. Kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented drink that has gained immense popularity for its unique taste and health benefits. Number 4. Amazake. Amazake is a traditional Japanese fermented rice drink made from glutinous rice koji. 5. Pickles. So now you know that taking care of your gut is crucial for your overall health and well-being, especially as you age.